Good morning, children. Welcome to our English session. Lesson 3. Excuse me, please. This is new lesson. Excuse me and please. Lesson's name is Excuse me and please. Textbook pages 24 to 27. Isn't it, children? Once you come, children, see the textbook pages. See the heading. Lesson 3. Excuse me and please. Okay, children, I am asking you, where do we use these words, children? Excuse me and please. Here, excuse me, then the lesson heading itself we are getting two words, please and these are then sorry, pardon, thank you, these are polite words. What do we say, children? These are polite words. Or we will say that magical words. Whenever we need something or some occasions, we will use these magical words. We will say these magical words and polite words. When we use this excuse me, we need something, or if you want some help from others, we will ask excuse me, please. Then next one, please. We are requesting something from others. We will say that please. Then sorry. If I did any mistake or hurt others, we will use this word sorry. The next, pardon. We didn't hear. For anyone tell you something, we didn't hear. They are expecting the answer from us. Without hearing, we can't say the answer. So that time, once again we are asking. So we will use the word pardon. Then next, thank you. Thank you also. Whenever we get anything from others, we will use this word thank you. These are should do in our life. These words should be used in our life. See, children, these are the polite words. This lesson also, excuse me and please. Now come to the textbook. Here starter is, if we want to have someone's attention, we say politely, excuse me. If you want to say something to others, for any your friend or the parents or your teachers, if you want to say something, you should ask the attention from them. You will ask, excuse me. Whenever anyone is saying, you don't talk in between. Okay, after finishing the talk, then only our conversation, then only you have to talk. Otherwise, if you talk too urgently or very needly, we should ask their attention that excuse me. Then they will ask you what happened. Okay, see here. Then excuse me, could I sit here? We are asking the permission that could I sit here? Can I sit here? Okay. The next word, excuse me, is that your bike? Excuse me, is that your bike? We are asking to your friends, excuse me, please move. If you want to go outside from the bench, you are sitting in the corner, you should ask to them that, excuse me, please move. You should ask them. The next, excuse me, could I have your pen? Can you? Two pen. You have two pen. My pen is not working. I need a pen. So, hey, give your pen. You don't ask like, excuse me. You should use the word excuse me. That is the polite words. Then next, say some similar sentence to your friends in the class. These words also good, children. Okay. Then next, we'll come to the textbook. Raghu is a village boy. You can see a boy there. What is his name? Raghu. What is his name? Raghu. R-A-G-H-U. Who is that? He is a village boy. What is the boy's name? Village. Raghu. Who is he? He is a village boy. Okay. Then this story is about this village boy named as Raghu. Okay. Then we'll see. He has some chicks and hens. What do he has, children? Some chicks. C-H-I-C-K-S. Chicks and hens. He loves the chicks and hens. Okay. He has some chicks and hens. He has a goat and a monkey too. What he has again? A goat and a monkey. Do you have children? Do you have the chicks, hens? Do you have a goat or monkey? These three will be in your home, but this monkey won't be, no? Maybe a cow also. See, but this and dog, cat may in your home, but monkey won't be, isn't it? Then, but this Raghu, village boy, likes monkey too, isn't it? Then next, he has a goat and a monkey too. Once you see the first line, children, Raghu is a village boy. He has some chicks and hens, and he has a goat and a monkey too. Then next page. See the picture, children. He loves and he is feeding them very properly, and he is mingling with these animals. What are the hens, chicks and monkey and a goat? He is spending some time with them. He loves these animals and birds. Then what happened? Here we'll see. He loves to play with them. He likes to play with her. These animals, goat, monkey and hens and chicks also. He loves and plays with them. But sometimes he is careless. What happened? Careless. Careless means not showing the interest on the, not taking care. Careless means not taking care. Careless. Careless means not taking care on them. What happened? His birds and animals get into the house of other people. What happened? These, what are there? Chicks and hens are there, isn't it? These chicks and hens are going to neighbor's house. Okay, what is doing? These chicks and hens are going to others neighbor's house. Then those people get angry with him. The people got angry. Why they are getting angry on him, children? These chicks and hens are going to neighbor's house and making dirty there, isn't it? That's why the people are getting angry on whom? Raghu, isn't it? Then next, see the picture, children. One neighbor lady is cooking in the kitchen and their hens are there, isn't it? Do you like, children, when you are inside the home or in the kitchen, these hens are eating something? Do you like? No, we don't like. They are dirty. They have the dirty legs. Okay. Then that's why these neighbors angry on Raghu. Okay. The next, the woman is asking, excuse me please. This woman came to the village boy. Who is that? Raghu, and she is using the word excuse me. She needs to say something to Raghu. That's why she used the word that excuse me. Isn't it, children? She wants to say something to that boy Raghu. She used the word excuse me. Okay. Then what did she say? Raghu replied, yes. Woman saying that, are these your hands? She is asking to the boy Raghu that these hands are yours. Then what he says? Yes, they are my hands. Raghu is replying that, yes, they are my hands. Then woman saying that, oh boy, this is my kitchen. Your hands are making it dirty. Take them away, please. See the picture, children. See, these hens are eating the grains and rice. They are eating some things from the neighbor woman's kitchen. And what happened? She is asking to the Raghu that these hens are making dirty in my kitchen. That's why she doesn't like children. That's why these neighbor people are angry with this Raghu, village boy. The next page, children. Page number 26. Here we can see something, children. One boy, that Raghu is there, and the farmer, not farmer, gardener and garden. Many flowers are there. What is this, children? You can see this goat is eating something, flower, and spoiling. That's why. So this we see here, gardener. Excuse me, please. Again the gardener. First who came, children? Woman. First who came? Woman. And second who came? Gardener. Gardener. First, woman asked to Raghu. Why? What did she ask? The Raghu's hens and chicks spoiled the woman's kitchen. The next, second one, gardener asked him. Here also these two people use what is excuse me, please. They are asking very politely. Okay, they didn't get angry on them. The next, Raghu is replying that, yes, gardener, is that your goat? Is that your goat? Gardener is asking to Raghu that, is that your goat? Are these hens yours? Who asked, children? The woman asked to Raghu. Now the gardener, what did he ask? Is that your goat? Then Raghu is replying that, yes, that is my goat. He is answering very cool. Yes, this is my goat. Then gardener is replying that, but you fool. He said him to that, you are fool. Really, this gardener got angry. Look here, look there. Look at those lovely roses. Your goat is spoiling them. Take it away, please. What happened? Are you a fool? He is the gardener asking to Raghu, are you a fool? Look there. Look at those lovely roses. See the picture, children. See, that is red flower, red roses. The goat is eating flowers and spoiling also. Isn't it? Then look at those lovely roses. Your goat is spoiling them. Take it away, please. Please take these goats away. That is gardener said. If I go through this lesson, what did you understand, children? Here, excuse me, please. The lesson's name is excuse me and please. Then we are in the common conversation. We are using some polite words that also will known as the magical words. What are they? Excuse me, please, sorry, pardon, thank you. These words we will use in our daily life. We should use, children. We should use these words, the necessary circumstances, situations. We should use these words. Who is Raghu? Raghu is a village boy. He is a village boy. What are these? Chicks and hens, a goat and a monkey. He has chicks, hens, goat and a monkey. He loves these animals and he is looking very care to these animals. He is feeding and sometimes he is playing with them. But the neighbors are angry on him. What happened? Sometimes this Raghu is not taking care of these animals. He is not taking care of these animals. That means careless. So what happened? These animals and birds are going to neighbor's house and they are spoiling there and eating something there. That's why the people or neighbors didn't like this one. So there also these two, who are they? Women and a gardener called Raghu and said these sentences. What is? Excuse me and please. In your life also, daily life also, you should use these words. Excuse me and please. Okay children, read the lesson. Thank you.